Hey, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best HDMI to DisplayPort adapter for monitors available in the market. The j5create USB to HDMI adapter, dual HDMI USB 3.0 multi-monitor cable. This adapter allows you to easily add an additional display through the USB-A 3.0 and HDMI connection. With dual HDMI ports, one supporting resolutions up to 4K UHD and the other up to 2048 x 1152, you can multitask with larger landscape desktop space. The hot swappable USB feature enables you to add or remove monitors without rebooting your system. Customers have praised the performance and ease of installation of this adapter. The picture quality is impressive, and the USB 3.0 connectivity ensures a fast and reliable connection between your computer and external displays. In conclusion, the j5create USB to HDMI adapter is a reliable and efficient solution for dual display setups. While some users have noted the occasional freezing of one screen, overall, it delivers on its promises and provides excellent value. If you're looking to expand your monitor setup seamlessly, this adapter is worth considering. That's it for today's video on the best HDMI to DisplayPort adapter for monitors. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique.